Consider the arithmetic sequence -1/5, semicolon, -11/5, and so on and so on. It says calculate the sum of the first 30 terms of this sequence. All right, everybody can do that. The sum of the first 30 terms, they're asking S subscript 30. You can do that, and it's 30. You can find common difference, but I'm after the last question. It says calculate the least. See, the least number of terms that must be added if the answer must be less than. See, we underscore that. It says less than. So in other words, we're given S subscript L is less than -100. That is exactly what's going to be. So we already know on the left hand side, I'm going to put in that formula. So we've got n divided by 2, open the brackets. 2 times the a. We got the a, that is -1 over the plus. Open the parentheses, n minus 1, and we want the common difference. I need to take -11 over the 5. And then I should type minus minus, meaning minus into -1 over 5. Could have done it in the head, but I'm just showing you how to use a calculator. There, you've got -2. So -2 is your first common difference. And then all of that should be less than -100. All right. Again, I'm going to clear that 2. All right. So I'm left with n over the brackets here. Okay, this must multiply that, so definitely I'm going to be -2 all over 5. And then this will multiply that, so I'm going to 2n, and I'm going to have plus the 2, close the bracket, less than, when down there, -200. So let's take that those number up, meaning -2 over 5 plus 2 is -2 over the 5. Remember in exam, you want to make sure you're not making a mistake. There it is, not 8 over the 5. So I've got n, so brackets, not 8 over the 5. And then minus b2n. Close the brackets, less than -200. I'm going to multiply inside by that n, by that n. So we've got 8 over the 5 n. All right. Bear with me, guys. If there is where I made a glitch, fix it. Just fix the mistake. Don't fight with me. I'm your fellow friend. Okay. All right. So there we go. So I'm going to multiply everything by 5. All right. Multiply everything by 5 and change the sign and transpose to the right at the same time. Or rather, let me transpose it here to the right so that you can actually see it. Let me off it. So I've got now plus 200. Is it to the left side? All right, but I'm going to have to change the sign. So I'm going to multiply by 5. If I multiply this by 5, it becomes 10. So we now have 10. Now you have 8. That's going to be minus 8, 10. So let's just say we multiply by negative. 200. 2 times 9 is 10, isn't it? Remember, watch now. I multiplied by a negative. That's why the sign changes. So even the inequality changes, becomes greater. So we know the first answer will be n must be greater than the greatest, or n must be lesser than the lessest, the smallest. Lessest. That's a good English name. All right, there we go. So let's work with this one. No need to divide. So I'm saying minus b, which is 8 square root parentheses 4 into a, which is 10 into c, negative 1000. The parentheses all the way to 20 because it's 2 times the 10. Wow, that's the first answer. I want to try, I want to believe it. I'm going to write it just beneath 10,41. Let's navigate and go back, change the sign. Let's go change the sign. All right. So when I change the sign, make it a negative. Oh, there's another. Yep. So we write. So let me make space there so that I can put my number there. All right. So less than 10, 5. Hey, greater than, I'm sorry, this one is less than. Look, this one won't work. Numbers less than this are going to be more negative. By definition, n must be an element of natural numbers. All right, give me a number greater, less than 10,41, the natural number. 10, 9, 8, and so on, all the way to 1. The least will be 1, the greatest will be 10. Which one are they asking? Calculate the least number of terms. Oh, my. That must be added if the answer must be less than negative 100. Can you see it says greater than the greatest? So they say the least. Now look at this. I'm getting 1 to be the least. Is that really so? Because it will be just that term by itself. Because if I go negative 1 divided by 5, I've got that number. That negative 0.2 question, is it less than 100? Never. This is greater. What happened? Let's see what happened now. Let's go check the do. This one is right. Right? Yeah, right. I believe it's right. Okay. All right. Let's say we think this is greater than, less than, and then when we multiply that one there, this one says greater than, and must be greater. All right. Ask me for the least. That would be less than negative 100. The least number of 10. All right, so let's check the first common difference. Negative 11 all over 5. Of course, it was going to be plus 1 over 5, giving us 2, which is the first term is there. Minus 2 over that. Minus 2 plus 2. That's right, and then these two together. Negative 2 all over 5. We must double check this thing. Plus the 2, which is 5. That's true. Good. Which is that one? Which is that? Which is that? You become 10. Positive. Yeah, something is fishy here. Let's say calculate the least number of tens that must be added if the number must be some negative 8. Unless if you see any errors, just check it, because you can have 10, 9, whatever. I think they wanted the greatest. Let me do the substitution into our formula. Remember our formula actually s sub n equals to n by 2 into 2a plus, you know the formula. Right. So I'm gonna do, let's do for the, let's start with 10 tenths. So, well, if I put 10, it's 5, so it's going to be 5, open bracket, 2 times negative 1 over the 5. No? Then I close the brackets. Then I say plus, because I'm dealing with 10 tenths. So it will be 9 times, then negative 2. So it's not this. Now you see, this is negative 92. This is greater. Oh, okay. Now, that's me. Nothing's wrong with this. I am reading the signs wrong. Can you see? I told you you must check me. It says n is greater, not less. Yeah, I put less numbers. You must put the greater numbers. Whoa. So a number greater than 10.41, I must put 11. Then I must put 12. And then 13. And so on and so on. You see, the answer is 11. Thank you very much. It's 11. There we go. Thank you very much. Because we say n is bigger than 10 comma 1. What is the number bigger than 10 comma 1? Which is natural. 11, 12, 13, 14. So we wanted the least. And is 11. Forgive me about that, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm keeping it in the video so that you can see how we tackle this. We also make some glitches. Some people will delete it and put a perfect